Oh, hello mga kawild. We are here now in Batangas. We are here in Batangas now. Look, these are people here. We're together. Uy! Then we're going here. We're going to that island there. There. We're going there with the boat. Ayan yung boat namin. Ha? Ren, sabihin mo dito, oh. Layo naman rin. Sabihin mo dito na mag-parking.
Dito daw parking. May bagong panganak.
May bagong panganak. Ayan, ito. We're going there to the island there. Oh, there's a tree here. Look the color. Oops.
Mamama na tayo. Ay, malaki.
Hindi yun yung bangka rin, oy.
Hindi ba ito?
I think that's the boat there. We have to go there. Yeah, we're going to the boat there. Oh my God. It's too far. Look our luggage. We have to bring pillow, blankets. Oh no. So parang mas bati lang ano.
Mamimit mo lang mas bati ganito. Pero taas, dako lang pantalan ko mas bati.
Dito sa Katayngan mismo? Sa Masbate mismo?
Sutso. Oh, hindi kaya yan.
Oh, yun na nga. Sabi malaking bangka. Hindi pwedeng balikan na lang yung iba.
Balikan.
Oo.
Ay lang mga damit ang agam muna natin.
Oo, mga gamit. Pero may sasama rin tao doon.
Oo, naroon na.
Oo, si Mori. Oo. Ang cute ng batang maliit.
Magpaiwan ako dito.
Pwede. Magpaiwan na kayo dito para makasama yung matitira.
Pabuti pa kayo.
Abutin mo naman kami. Ako, kargahin mo na rin. Oh.
Gamit.
Ito pa. Ito dong paki ano na lang, oh.
Ya, ito. Slick. Pasali mo na yun.
Ako rin. Hindi. Nagtakol ba mahulog ako doon? Hindi, di pa naman tayo sasakay eh. Kaya, kuya, buhatin mo na rin ako. Aray naku, Diyos ko.
Nalulula kami namin.
Kaya nga, natatakot ako baka bigla akong magano, no?
Malaglagay parang nalula.
Takot pa naman ako sa taas. Okay. Ay, mauna na rin yung iba, hindi naman lang yung karga. Mauna ako.
Sige, mauna na kayo dun.
Sinor, mauna na tayo dahil hindi kasi lahat. Ay, ang cute ng Dugi. Hi, Dugi. Hi. Yung bata. Cute.
Walang pagkain.
Babalikan pa ba doon? Babalikan pa.
Sol, meron pa tayong gamit doon?
Ito na magdala yung tent.
Kaya nga, mali talagang desisyon na ganitong suot namin. Tignan mo, oh, dagat. Nung dagat, nagtatawag. Alak eh. Masasakay na kami sa bangka, kuya. Kuya.
Kapit tuma.
Uy! We are at the boat. At the boat. Ay!
Kaya kami.
Go there, go. Go. Leave it here. Mm. Sige, dito ako kasi magbibideo ako eh. Doon kayo sa loob.
Gilid tayo.
Ako naman,
Dito.
ako naman.
Dito ako ha, kuya. Doon na lang sila.
2, 4, 6.
Nasa loob.
Doon kayo, doon. Asan yung ganyan natin, Nor? May isa pa. Ay, ito na. Alin sa atin? Yan? Oh. Ha? Mag-video ako eh. Wala namang bawd eh. O da. Oh, look the mountain. Look the mountain. The boat is dancing because it's a little bit so wavy. Ren, sumama ka na rin.
Alin na stop? Nice po sa dyan sa atrasa.
Puso. B8. Ayan, we're going na. Bye! Wala naman sila ng karga doon eh, kaya pwede na.
Dito ka na, bunso.
Oh my God, hinarang pa talaga yung alon sa atin, no? Look, gumanon pa talaga siya, kaya tuloy may alon. Uy!
May guest daw. May guest. May guest. May guest. Paliko.
We're going to that island there.
Para tayo naglipat bahay.
Asan yung unan ko? Parang ang lipat bahay, oh. Para lang noon yung kataingan minta ka daw.
Enjoy daw siya, enjoy.
Practice ka na, Noy.
Sa bahay na.
What?
Sa bahay. You want to wear it? Ayaw daw niya.
So, oh, di may turista na.
Wow. Turista pa mo.
Getting there. We're almost there. Hello, that is Sombrero Island here. Sombrero Island, Batangas, Mabini, no?
Mabini, Batangas.
Mabini, Batangas. Saan na? Yan. Dawan. Sombrero Island. Oh, saan yung picture ko? Yan na. Picture. Yes, we're almost here. So while we are here, only to turn that island there, we turn like this and we are there already. We are here, we are here. There.
Eh, focus mo yan mamaya yung plato.
Ha? Kaya nga.
Yung rock formation eh.
Mamaya.
Fingers point.
Oh, look. We are here.
Yan, yan natin. Fingers point. Balik ko.
Okay, we are almost, we turn like
Rock
this.
formation.
Yeah. The Sombrero Island there. Oops, the too wavy here, too wavy. Too wavy. That's Sombrero Island here. Look the rocks. Love on the rocks. This is Love on the Rocks. Ain't no big surprise. Here we're going there. We're going to that island there. Or here. Dito. O doon. At yan. Here. We're going there. Where? Here. Here. May tao naglutang. One of the barrio here, the barrio sa village. One, and we are going to the other village there. This one here, there. And another village there also. And this side here, they have a ship of Japanese ship was drowned there. So maybe later today we're going there. We're going to surfing there, that area there. We're going here in this Pogo here. Here. Ayan, ito. There we go here. Thank you for watching.
Namanaw gabi eh. Nabantol.
Nabantol.
Ayan.
Ano nabanto?
May kay may na taga Surigao nga tambalan gisunahan.
Okay guys, thank you. Bye. See you the next video later.